Hands-on training is really important for operators. It's also really difficult to do for educational institutions. It is a lot easier to do lectures and, instruct things on whiteboards and PowerPoint. So it takes effort to do the hands-on training, but I think it's really important to do that because being an operator is a hands-on job and people learn in different ways, and certainly the classroom training doesn't work for everybody. So that's why we acquired our mobile water treatment plant, an industry standard drinking water treatment plant that students can pull apart. They don't have to worry about someone getting sick, when they put their hands on a piece of equipment, like they might feel when they first walk into a water treatment plant that they're responsible for. And so a goal for us with the mobile water treatment plant is to really increase operator confidence so that when they do get into that first operating plant that people are drinking the water from, they've done it before in a low-risk scenario with qualified instructors, and they'll feel a lot more confident. Also, having a functioning water treatment plant is different than having a chlorine pump that's sitting on a table. It doesn't have any chemical going through it. It's not connected to pressure. You're not going to run into the troubleshooting scenarios that operators encounter in the field. So having it set up like an actual water plant with pressure and flow and problems and automation, the learning experience is so much richer. Once we had our mobile water treatment plant here at Yukon University, we started developing kind of the first training delivery that we would do with it. And so we actually partnered with the circuit riders here in the Yukon to develop that first course. And basically, we have the students following a maintenance management plan for 2 weeks with different tasks, calibrating equipment, changing filters, doing a wide range of water quality sampling and analysis. So all of that is included on an MMP. And for each of these tasks, we produced standard operating procedures, SOPs, that the students would refer to when they're completing their daily tasks. We're really happy to have partnered with Water Movement to turn our SOPs into videos. We're really happy that one of our instructors was able to demonstrate each of the SOPs in our mobile water treatment plant to be recorded, and now it's available online. So this is going to be really useful to our students both when they're in the course as well as after the course. So our students are with us for 2 weeks in the mobile water treatment plant. They're able to ask the instructor for help if they need it. They're able to look at the written SOPs if they need to, and they're also now going to be able to scan a QR code on the piece of equipment with their phone and watch an SOP video if they need to. So that's great when they're in the class. And when they leave the class, it's a lot of information to take in 2 weeks. If they forget, once they get back to their plant, the videos will be there online for them to refer to as well. So that's going to be a really valuable tool. And we're so excited to share that with operators around the country to help them in their work as well.